The acceptable quality level, AQL, is a measure applied to products and defined in ISO 2859-1 as the quality level that is the worst tolerable. The AQL tells you how many defective components are considered acceptable during random sampling quality inspections. It is usually expressed as a percentage or a ratio of the number of defects compared to the total quantity. In other words, the acceptable quality level, AQL, is the worst quality level that is tolerable for a product. The AQL differs from product to product. Products that might cause more of a health risk will have a lower AQL. Batches of products that do not meet the AQL, typically based on a percentage measurement, are rejected when tested during pre-shipment inspections. Goods in a sample are tested at random, and if the number of defective items is below the predetermined amount, that product is said to meet the acceptable quality level, AQL. If the acceptable quality level, AQL, is not reached for a particular sampling of goods, manufacturers will review the various parameters in the production process to determine the areas causing the defects. The AQL of a product can vary from industry to industry. Medical products, for example, have stringent AQLs because defective products are a health risk. As an example, consider an AQL of 1% on a production run. This percentage means that no more than 1% of the batch can be defective. If a production run is composed of 1,000 products, only 10 products can be defective. If 11 products are defective, the entire batch is scrapped. This figure of 11 or more defective products is known as the rejectable quality level, RQL. The AQL is an important statistic for companies seeking a Six Sigma level of quality control, which is a quality control methodology developed in 1986 by Motorola Incorporated. AQL is also known as the acceptable quality limit.